If your LG front load washer is not starting, showing error codes, or having issues with its various cycles, the main PCB could be the culprit. I'm William of AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances, it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your front load washer by unplugging it or turning the breaker off. With the power safely disconnected, let's dive into troubleshooting and get your washer back on track. We're starting with the door strike, and to do that, we're opening the door. We're inspecting the strike for any damage. If the strike is damaged, it would need to be replaced. If there is no damage, we can continue troubleshooting. We're testing the door lock using the wires found at the main control. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 2 screws securing the top panel. Now the top panel can be moved back and lifted up to be set to the side. Next, grab a flathead screwdriver and release the mounting tabs on the main control cover. Lift the cover off and set it aside. We're locating the black wire at the black relay, as this is our common wire. We're also locating the 3-wire 4-pin connector with the orange, blue, and yellow wires. We're grabbing our meter and setting it to continuity, which looks like a Wi-Fi symbol. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. We're disconnecting the 3-wire connector from the main control and plugging our meter probe into the black wire on the relay. It will stay here for testing. We're using our other meter probe at the yellow wire. Our meter should measure infinite or OL, and no sound should be produced from the continuity check. Now we're setting our meter to resistance, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. We're moving our other meter probe to the orange wire. We should get a resistance reading between 700 to 1,500 ohms. We're now moving the probe to the blue wire, and it should measure between 60 to 90 ohms. We can go ahead and reconnect the wires. If the door lock and the strike are good, the main control would be the cause of failure. This is verified by the process of elimination. Let me show you how to replace it. Remove the Phillips screw at the front top of the main control. Now we're going to lift the control locking tab away from the side panel and slide the main control towards the center of the washer, then pull it away from the side panel. This would be a good time to take a picture of the connections before removing them. It helps with reassembly. We're disconnecting the wires from the main control. Here's the old main control and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're inserting the wires into the main control, connecting the main control cover, then sliding it into place on the side panel. Secure the main control with the Phillips screw that was removed. We're grabbing the top panel and sliding it into place, securing it with the screws we removed at the beginning. Plug the power cord back in, and with that, we're done. Great job tackling that main PCB replacement on your LG washer. We hope the repair went smoothly and your appliance is up and running like new. We'd love to hear how your repair turned out. Feel free to share your experience in the comments below. And if you need any parts for your next project, just visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your washer's model number. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, so you won't have to wait long to get started. Thanks for letting us be a part of your repair journey, and we look forward to helping you with your next appliance project.